For the IGCSE November 2020, paper 1, question 23, work through. Hopefully you've had a go at the question. You've had a go, you're looking at the mark sheet and you need a bit of explaining. So this is going to help you do it. So you'll see the answer, then we'll put a question on the board which you can pause and run through, or I'm going to then talk you through it. If you need further questions to help, they're available on my website, which is there at the top, and also reminded at the end of this. Right. So a curve has an equation here where m and p are positive integers. Find the values for which the gradient is negative. So if I've got a curve and I want to find a gradient, I need to differentiate. So I'm going to differentiate that. And it is telling me y equals px cubed minus mx. So differentiate that. dy by dx gives me 3px squared minus m. If the gradient's be negative, 3px squared minus m must be less than 0. So you know it must be less than 0. So that must mean 3px squared must be less than m. So x squared must be less than m over 3p. So we can square root this. So x must be bigger than or less than the square negative, because square roots have two negative and a positive. So that is the gradient. So what did we do? We differentiated it to find a gradient. We knew the gradient must be less than 0, made x the subject, and remembered we had a positive and negative square root. So let's have a good look at the we do question. Very, very similar structure. You've had a go, or you're waiting for me to talk you through it. What is the first thing we did to find a gradient? We differentiated it. So you should have written 3ax squared minus b. What is this less than? Because it says it's less than 0. So you should have done that. Now what do? We've got to remember it's square root. We have two square roots. We have a big one, a positive one, and a negative one, and the negative is there, and our positive is there. Brilliant. Now, if you're struggling with that, go and have a look at the two similar questions. I think once you've got the idea, it's quite straightforward. And to remember, right, hit subscribe on the YouTube channel, try the worksheet on the page. Thank you.